wondered how home chefs are changing local food and making a real difference in their communities? Today, we're diving into the world of the cottage food business, how these kitchen creators are finding success from their own homes. Hi, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're answering a common question. How can home chefs improve local food and turn their love for cooking into profitable business? Ever dreamed of sharing your homemade dishes with the world? This video is for you. The cottage food business is more than just a trend. It's a growing movement towards sustainable homemade success. Home chefs are turning their cooking dream into reality right from their kitchen. These home-based businesses focus on personal connections to the food they make, often featuring small batch products like baked goods, jams, and sauces. By using local ingredients and traditional recipes, home chefs create food that speaks to the heart of their communities. What makes their product special is the authenticity and quality they bring to the table. Each dish tells a story and connects people to the culture, richness, and local ingredients. Imagine biting into a cookie and tasting grandma's secret recipe. Talk about a flavor flashback. Home chefs are food storytellers, celebrating local cuisine by using seasonal produce and old-fashioned ingredients. Turn simple ingredients into amazing meals that reflect the culture and lifestyle of their area. Whether it's a family recipe perfected over generations or a new twist on a classic dish, the focus is always on authenticity and flavor. This celebration of local cuisine goes beyond just cooking. It's about keeping the food traditions of a community alive. It's like having a delicious time machine in your kitchen. Supporting home-based food business brings life to local economies. Customers directly support a circular economic model, benefiting everyone involved. Each purchase from a cottage food operation supports local growth and sustainability. Home chefs create jobs, boost local markets, and often buy ingredients from nearby farmers and producers. This cycle of investing in local businesses leads to a stronger economic base for the community. It's like putting your money where your mouth is, literally. The journey of a home chef is filled with unique challenges, from learning business operations to finding the right market channel. But these obstacles show their resilience and innovation. Success stories in the cottage food business prove what can be achieved when passion meets hard work. Home chefs turn their cooking dreams into real success, inspiring a new wave of foodpreneurs. It's like turning lemons in a lemonade, way tastier. Chefs build community through their cooking efforts, sharing stories behind their dishes at local events like farmer markets and pop-up dinners. These interactions create a shared space where food becomes a way to connect and learn. Engaging directly with their audience boosts visibility and builds trust, making the food experience richer and more enjoyable for everyone involved. Think of it as a food festival every day without the ticket price. The future of the cottage food business is bright, driven by the creativity and passion of home chefs. As more people seek real handmade food experiences, these kitchen creators will continue to shine. From kitchen to table, one homemade dish at a time, home chefs are improving local food and making a lasting difference in their communities. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it helpful. If you're a home chef looking to improve your local cuisine, join us at Kitible and start your cooking journey today. Let's get cooking.